number one issue that I see coming up on home inspections in the Springfield, Missouri metro area, really Southwest Missouri in general. Water in the crawl space. I see that more common than anything else. Water in the crawl space, well, actually, what the crawl space is for, but part of the reason that we don't have a lot of slab homes in the Southwest Missouri area is because we have a very high water table compared to other parts of the country. So you go down to Dallas or a lot of other, really, maybe even Tulsa, Oklahoma City, everything's on slabs. Not in Springfield, not in that whole Southwest Missouri area. Okay, we have a high water table. So what happens is if you get a lot of rain, that the ground gets saturated, and you've got a high water table to start with, that water just goes up. So you end up having water coming into your crawl space from underneath your home, and you won't even know about it. That's the most common way well, that's one of the most common ways. The actual most common way, and the biggest thing you can do about it, downspouts. Your downspouts for your gutters are a big source of water in your crawl space. So when the water comes down the downspout, if you've got that downspout dumping right next to the foundation of the house, what you're doing is that water just comes down and it has nowhere to go. It goes right back underneath the house into the crawl space. We see mold problems because of that. We see wood rot problems because of that. Big time. And the mold and wood rot stuff, man, it can be really expensive to fix a lot of that. So a lot of times what people will do is put a vapor barrier down, that it's literally a thin piece of plastic that they put down over the entire crawl space, tape it up all around so that it gets the seams taped so the water can't come up and get above the vapor barrier. And once it does that, you should be fine. But you still need to get water away from the fountain, because that water coming down your downspout and dumping right next to your foundation over time, it's going to cause your foundation to sink, and then you have bigger problems. So, if you know somebody that's about to go through a home inspection and needs to hear this, pass it along.